How to reduce the size of desktop icons in Windows 11. In the sleek and modern world of Windows 11, managing your desktop icons has become more customizable than ever before. Whether you're striving for a minimalist aesthetic, aiming to fit more icons on your screen, or simply seeking a change in icon size to better suit your preferences, this guide will walk you through the steps to reduce the size of icons on your Windows 11 desktop. I'll show you the 3 easiest ways on how to do it. Let's start with the most commonly used method. Right-click on an empty area of your desktop. Hover on View to see options related to your desktop icons. Here you have 3 options to choose from: large icons, which is the current setting, medium icons, or small icons. Click on your desired size or use the shortcut keys you see to the right to select the size. Additionally, you can also auto-arrange them, align them to grid, or hide them if you want a clean-looking desktop. The second method is probably the fastest way to resize your desktop icons, and it also gives you more flexibility over the size because it doesn't limit you to just 3 options like in the first method. Just hold down the Control key and scroll down your mouse wheel to make the icon smaller. You can just scroll up or down to resize your desktop icons. The third method is by adjusting the display settings. This not only affects your desktop icons, but your entire system, the text, the taskbar, everything. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. To the right of Display Resolution, you can select a higher resolution if you haven't already. This will make the icons appear smaller. There's another drop-down list to the right of Scale. Select your desired scaling. You can also input a specific number by selecting the scale card and entering your desired scaling size in the given field. That's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.